Are you ready to step into the fast-growing world of solar energy? Then this is for you. We are proud to introduce the 4-day Solar Mastery Program with hands-on experience happening in Mumbai. Powered by Govt Solutions, an IIT Bombay incubated company. This is not average classroom training. In just 4 days you will design a solar PV system, install a real 3 kilowatt peak on-grid solar setup,
आउटपुट भी ले सकते हैं हम इसमें। जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं कि इसमें हमारा एक फ़ोन चार्ज भी हो सकता है। इसमें हमारा एक फ़ोन चार्ज हो रहा है। हम इसमें हमारा बल्ब भी जला सकते हैं और हम इसमें अपना डीसी भी आउटपुट ले सकते हैं। जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं ये 30 वाट की लाइट है।
Understand solar business models. Learn maintenance, safety, net metering and more. Get certified, get skilled, and get ready to start your solar career or business. Dates: 17th to 20th September 2025. Location: Mumbai. Fees: 7,999 rupees. With meals and certificate included. This course is for you. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or an entrepreneur, learn from industry experts. Get hands-on with tools and components and become a part of India's solar revolution. Ready to register? Let's design, installation, grow. Join the Solar Mastery Program today.